My 2021 F-150 did not come with wheel well liners from the factory, so I ordered them from my Ford dealer, and I'm going to show you how to install them today. I've already done one side. It's really easy. You'll see how simple it is, but I just want to show you what it looks like before you put it on. This is the wheel liner, and it's marked left hand and right hand. It comes with instructions, and it comes with the hardware that'll show you more in a little bit. But it's really simple to do. It should come with this from the factory, but it's an upcharge. I don't remember how much they were, but I used my Ford Pass points to buy them from the Ford dealer. But the first thing that I want to do is clean it all out. I've already been through the car wash, but there's still some grime on there that I want to get out because it's going to be covered up with the wheel liner from here on out. So let's get started. I'm just using some Windex and some paper towels just to clean this off within here. It's just what I had laying around, and it seemed to work pretty good for cleaning it off. But I want to be sure and get up in all these little nooks and crannies and get all the mud and everything out of here. Alright, that's pretty good. Alright, so the first thing we want to do after we clean it is take this little bracket, and it goes in this hole, and you just push it in, and it pops. And there's another one on the other side. You can see it. Okay. Okay, so now what we want to do is take the liner and actually go ahead and pop it in. You just kind of push up and it pops into place. Down on the edges, you have to use a little bit of to kind of make sure it goes into the right place. It goes around all this plastic. But you'll know when it's in place and make sure that the holes line up. And then there's 4 of these push snaps that you put in there, and the first 2, there's one here. Make sure that hole is lined up, and you push until it stops. There's another one over here. Line up the hole, push it in. Then there's one right there. Line up that hole. And there's one more on the other side. step is those metal brackets that I pushed in at the beginning. I'll start with this one. This is a screw that's got a little 7mm head on it, and we'll just kind of finger start it. I'll show you what the screw looks like. Looks like this. And just finger start it. And I'm just going to take my little 1/4" 7mm socket and use it with my fingers to get it on there before I actually put the rig on it, and get it almost all the way on. And it just has to be kind of finger tight. Probably can't see that very well. To torque it down or anything, you just kind of want to get it close. Okay. Now the other side. And this one's going to be hard to see because I can't really get my camera in there. So as you can see, this looks a lot better than just the paint color showing through the wheel well. It's really going to protect that wheel well from all the snow and ice and salt and chemicals or whatever they put on the roads to get the snow to melt, and should help if you're on the beach too with sand. So I hope this helps. Don't be afraid to do it yourself. It's a lot cheaper. Don't let the dealer charge you for it, for installing it. You can do it yourself.